This field is now in motion, and here they come. The rough end pacing down toward the cones is Brother's brother. In between horses, Ville Marcel left out of there, along with St. Lad's, He-Man, and Fireluck. Then we have Political Terror, and from that outside starting position, PL Dangerous. Then back to Bruiser's brother, and in behind Bruiser's brother is Keystone Raptor, followed by Impulse Sealster, and the last two at the back of the pack as they make their way around the turn is Tiger's Majesty, and last of them all, Beautiful Soul. That quarter was 26-1. And they move into the backstretch now, and dictating the pace is St. Lad's He-Man. Ville Marcel with that coveted 2-hole trip is in second position, and Fireluck is third. Political Terror in fourth. Anxious to get to the outside now is PL Dangerous, and commits to the outside for Jameson now and gives cover to Bruiser's brother. Keystone Raptors now third over, and a break of 2 lengths to Impulse Sealster. The half was in 54-3, and they make their way to the far turn. Jason Brewer and St. Lad's He-Man still on the front end. Gaining ground on the outside now is PL Dangerous. Great trip here for Bruiser's brother, who's second over as they come to 3/4. Lacking racing room to the inside now is Ville Marcella. He's in Pylon Prison as they turn for home, and they're on their way home now. And it's St. Lad's He-Man who tries to sprint away from them. On the outside, PL Dangerous is second, and down to the inside is Ville Marcella, deep stretch, and it's St. Lad's He-Man, who was monstrous tonight. St. Lad's He-Man all alone at the wire. Finishing second was PL Dangerous. Looks like Fireluck was third over Keystone Raptor, and the mile in 151-4.